the cabin late last night, and I've just had breakfast and I'm about to head out. It is very cold. It's almost minus 20 degrees Celsius. And there's a lot of snow. But it looks absolutely beautiful. So yeah, let's go out for a walk. Just got outside and it's actually not too bad. It doesn't feel that cold, but I'm super bundled up and lots of warm layers, so I shouldn't get too cold. There's a lot of bird activity around the feeding place, but I don't want to disturb them. Let's go check out the lake. Here's the sauna cottage, by the way, which I can't talk while I'm walking. This is the sauna cottage with sauna on the left and like a little room right here. Some cheerful Christmas lights. Ooh. This way to the lake. That's my dad walking here. And here we have a, what do you call it, like ice swimming pool? Avando? Well, anyway, it's like a, there's a hole in the ice and you go and swim in it. I don't do that, or I haven't done it in like 15 years, and I don't think I'm gonna do it tonight either. Even though we're warming up the sauna, but I'm not into it. It's just so still in here, so quiet and calm and white. I have no idea if you can hear me while I walk, so maybe I shouldn't do that, but just look at this. It looks amazing. I'm so happy. I think even in Finland, it's pretty rare to have this much snow in the winter nowadays, but we have a lot. As you can see from the from how much there is on the trees, it's pretty amazing. Little treasures under the snow. Not as many birds on this side, but there have been, because the ground underneath that little bird feeding hut is full of like seeds. So they have been here, but maybe they're a bit shy because of me. The forest has a very special atmosphere, I think, this time of the year. It's so bare and still and quiet, but somehow very calming, and I love that.